Hi guys! I have created few cool looks with my new pink handmade tube top. For the first look, to layer my crochet top, I have worn a white shirt to give it a perfect brunch look. But if you're in a mood to party, look 2 does the work for you. Just let your hair down. Have to attend an event, put on your blazer, tie a pony, and you're ready to go. Just pair this crochet top with a baggy jacket and you'll have a airport look too. This crochet top is basically a bralette, but pairing it up with different jackets, accessories won't fail to create other looks too. If you like the top and you want to own one too, follow me on Instagram and drop me a DM. And if you like the video, go ahead, hit the like button, share and subscribe.